Hi guys, I have been to Asda and I've done an Asda shop. £3 for this 28 packet of What's-Its and £3 for this pack of the variety pack of the Walker's crisps. A couple of new utensils I needed for my new frying pan and a candle lighter. A loaf of bread, that's seeded bread, and a carton of milk. Oh, tiger rolls, they were lovely. Sausage rolls, needed those. 2 packs of biscuits, identical. And caramel latte, got 2 of those because they were on offer. I think they were about 86p. Cookie dough, just so that the grandkids can just cut them up and they can go in the oven. This is the Muller chocolate fix, the mint flavour, it's divine. And just bin liners for the kitchen bins. Granulated sugar. Now here I go, I'm going to turn it over just to prove it's 2 kilograms. Floor wipes, always need those, and a pack of ham. Oh, yellow sticker time. It's got 2 of those. Hey, can't wait to eat those. This is some offal that we got for the dogs to cook up for them. They love it. So we got a pack of kidneys, a pack of hearts, and a pack of liver. Another yellow sticker, like a chicken platter, breaded. More yellow stickers. This is diced steak, ×2. Look at Chris there trying to be helpful. He's delving into the bag to save me doing it, look. 2 chicken tikka masalas, yellow stickers again. There you go, there's the other one. Butter, that was, I think it was £3.75 for 500 grams. And some frozen chicken breast, ×2. Oh, come on girl, get those muscles working. Oven chips, the lighter version. Yeah, while you're working those muscles, Lesleyanne, show us the baked beans. Oh, macaroons. And some chocolate mousses with the cream on for the grandkids. Oh, what's this? Strawberry jam. Sweet onion chutney. And this is like tomato ketchup. Yep. There you go. A couple of pears. Yeah, I don't quite think they look, well, they sort of remind me of something else. The way they're hanging in that bag. Not a good look, shall we say. Oh, strong tinfoil. Come on, work their muscles again, babe. Jacket potatoes, tartar sauce to go with fish finger sandwiches. And now this is Asda's equivalent to like Marmite, just the yeast extract. And a great big pack of mature cheddar cheese. And a pack of ready peeled potatoes. A pack of cocktail sausages for the dogs for their treats. And a pack of bacon. Pose Go on, Lesleyanne, pose. Pretend you're holding it. Great big bag of red potatoes. Oh, another yellow sticker. And it's a minced beef and dumpling stew. That is it. Thank you for watching. Bye.